Hello everyone, welcome back to Unskilled Kitchen. Here we are for another week of 2020, another week of hell. Well, I'm particularly excited about this episode today because I've been craving the key ingredient for a very long time. Elote. No, I probably shouldn't just dive right into what we're making. Recently, I went ahead and I tried recreating a fast food staple, the McDonald's McGriddle. To be honest guys, I feel like I failed that one. The presentation was horrible. It looked like shit, looked like garbage. But it tasted good. So, this week I am here to redeem myself. I am here to make myself worthy amongst the fast food recreation people. Yes. So, we are recreating fast food. I'm not going to recreate the McGriddle today though. So what am I recreating today? Well, I told you that I was craving something for a very long time, and that is elote. So what fast food staple uses corn as their ingredient? I'll tell you what it is. It is the KFC Famous Bowl. I am making a KFC Famous Bowl with elote. Yes. So it's going to be mashed potato as a layer. It's going to be chorizo as the protein instead of popcorn chicken. It is going to be another layer of elote. And then queso on top. Oh, wait, another thing. Not just doing any normal elote, guys. I've been scrolling through my Instagram like I do pretty much every day, and I be seeing people do elotes with Cheeto dust on it, or any type of chip dust. You know, turbo flamas. What's the other one called? Takis. So we are going to incorporate my own special blend of chip dust on our elotes. Salt and pepper, mayonnaise, butter. A potato flew around my room before you came. Potato. Queso, chorizo, corn, milk or almond milk, I don't judge, cilantro, some chips. Okay, after you have rinsed your potatoes, go ahead and cut them. I guess I'm totally going to disregard the fact that I dropped a potato. With your potatoes cut, you are now going to put them in a pot. Now that you've got your potatoes cut, you are now going to put them in a pot of water to boil. The corn is next. The corn is next. With your corn dehusked, you can now go ahead and boil them in water, but I am just realizing that I don't have enough pots. I guess I could probably just put them in the same pot as the potatoes. What did I do? While you got your corn and your potatoes boiling, and hopefully not in the same pot because you're a normal human being, unlike me, you can go ahead and you can cut up your cilantro. So this just came to my attention, like, I don't know, probably like a month ago, that there's this weird like thing where like people who taste cilantro taste soap or something like that. What is that all about? Like, luckily I don't have that because I love cilantro, but for all y'all people that taste soap while eating cilantro, I feel bad for you. Chime up in the comments. Does it really taste like soap, or like what is it? What about the cilantro tastes funny to you guys? It is chorizo time. All right, let's go ahead and get this chorizo cooking. Oh my God. Yeah, let's get this chorizo cooking. Yummy. Hey. Okay, so I guess the whole idea of this is I'm going to kind of like, I don't even need a knife. What the f? Get it into like little pieces like so, I guess, and then put them in the pan. Let's try it out. What am I doing? I probably could have just thrown the whole tube in there and then as it's cooking, break it up into pieces. That seems like a better idea. Thanks, Boo. I need to wash my hands real quick. Oh yeah, look at that chorizo. Shit. Okay, I clearly have no idea what I'm doing at all. I didn't think this through. It's just burning. Why? It's on the lowest setting. Why is it burning? I don't get stainless steel pans. I just don't get it. What am I doing wrong? Can someone please help me? Please? How long has it been boiling? Shit.
It's barely boiling.
I haven't been keeping track of how long my potatoes and corn have been boiling. It's okay, guys. I pretty much cook all this shit twice to make sure that the recipe card for you guys is top notch. Now it's not sizzling. While this is doing God knows what, let's go ahead and do our special blend chip dust. It's really not that special. It's honestly just limon lays and flamin' hot limon crunchy Cheetos. But they are my two favorite chips, so it makes it special to me. Z girlfriend is saying I must feed her.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If you don't have one of these special grinders, you can go ahead and just do it by hand. Like honestly, just put them on the thing and smash them like a caveman. I don't care. Do whatever you gotta do it. Special blend chip dust is done. While we still have no idea what the f this guy is doing, our potatoes are done, which also means our corn is done. The corn is sitting aside to cool. We'll get to that later. Potatoes. Let's go ahead and grab our potatoes, and we're going to put them in here along with our milk and our cilantro. And then, oh yeah, butter. That's right. We're going to mix it all together and make a nice creamy mashed potato. Alright, this is done. Alright, now that we got our mashed potatoes made, our chorizo cooked up, let's go ahead and take the kernels off of our corn on the cob. Now, we take our mayonnaise and put it in our corn. There we go. Now we are ready to assemble. All right, guys, here we are. I made a KFC famous bowl, elote style. I feel like I failed you guys again. I don't know. Presentation-wise, not feeling it. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not meant for recreating fast food. I will try again though. I definitely will. Or you know what? You tell me. Did I do good? Does it look like a KFC famous bowl if it was elote style? Let's just hope it tastes better than how it looks, shall we? Oh man. It's like another, French toast McGriddle. Looks like shit. Looks like I vomited this into my bowl. But it tastes f***ing amazing. This is so good. It's honestly exactly how I thought it would taste. Now I can't wait to have just a regular corn on the cob elote with Cheeto dust on it. And yeah, I don't know what else. I don't know. It just didn't look like a goddamn KFC famous bowl. What will I do next though? I don't know. I'll have to think about that one. Well, I hate to end this episode with the disappointing factor of how it looked, but oh well. I hope you guys have a good week. I will see you next week. Yeah, cheers. Did you hear that?